Many patients come and they ask about full mouth reconstruction. And really, they're looking for a new smile. But the goal is to restore proper function and aesthetics so that you have teeth that you can smile with confidence and enjoy for the rest of your life. Invisalign is a powerful tool that we have. I've personally done hundreds of cases. A lot of times we will incorporate Invisalign into full mouth reconstruction or full mouth makeover cases where Invisalign allows us to shave down less of your natural teeth and sometimes do much less number of veneers or crowns, thereby saving you money and also saving you from shaving your own teeth down. Some patients come in and they want to have teeth that are aligned. They may have teeth that are overlapping a lot and trapping food and making a lot of more staining between teeth, and they want to have a beautiful smile again. We can use Invisalign to overlapping and give you aligned teeth again. For the patients that are not willing to go through a year or two of plastics in their mouth, we could also do the same thing with veneers or crowns. What is stronger, full crowns or veneers? Sometimes patients may think the veneers because they're much thinner and made out of material that's more beautiful, but maybe not as strong, may have more issues down the road. But veneers, when done right, can be just as strong. Full coverage crowns have indications as well though. Sometimes when we're changing the bite, or if you have teeth with a lot of restorations or cavities, the crowns are the way to go and not have more issues down the road. If you have been hiding your smile out of embarrassment for a long time, please call our office or visit our website, and together we can help you find your perfect smile.